Hey guys, this is Jan and welcome to my channel Jan as Mommy. In today's video, we are going to see how to make homemade rose oil and rose water. Let's get into the video.
Rose oil and rose water has a lot of benefits. It is used in many aromatherapies and beauty products. Let's see some of the benefits of rose oil and rose water before getting into the recipe of making this. It is used in moisturizing your skin and hair. It helps in removing scars out of your skin. It is anti-acne, antidepressant and antiseptic. It also eases pain. It prevents infection as well as fights inflammation. It is very simple to make it. The main ingredients are the roses. After watching this video, you will not throw the bouquet, as it is very easy to make homemade oil and water out of it. Let's begin with rose oil. I have taken petals from 30 roses and 3 tablespoons of grated coconut, grinding the roses and coconut together. Now take a pan, clean it with a tissue paper. Drop in the rose and coconut mixture into it. Add a very little water into it. Give it a mix. Putting a stove on low flame. Keeping the mixture for 30 minutes on the low flame. Put a lid on the pan and leaving it for 30 minutes. "30 minutes is over. Filter the mixture with a wide open filter. The extract will look like this. We cannot use this extract directly, so I'm going to add carrier oil into it. Take a pan, put it on a low flame and add in the extract. And we are going to add a cup of carrier oil. You can use coconut or almond oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Cover it with a lid. Make sure your lid is not completely closed. Have a little open. Leave the mixture for another 15 minutes on a low flame. After 15 minutes, our oil will be almost ready. Let it cool down to room temperature. Once it is cooled down, transfer it to a glass container. That's it. Easy, isn't it? Our homemade rose oil is ready to go. Now let's make rose water. For making rose water, I have taken 2 liters of water in a pan and bringing it to boil. These are all the petals from 30 roses. Once the water starts to boil, add the rose petals into the water. After adding all the petals, you can switch off the flame. Allowing the mixture to cool down for 2 hours. Once it is cooled down, we are going to filter it. Take a wide open filter and start filtering roses from the water. Look at the color of the petals. The red color of the petals are got into the water. The homemade rose water is ready. With 30 roses, I have got around 2 liters of rose water. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon which is down below to get more updates on the channel. Bye-bye.